Most plastics come from crude oil. It is first heated to a high temperature in a refinery and then sent to a distillation tower to separate various components. The heaviest products settle at the bottom of the tower, while the lighter ones rise to the top. One of these products is naphtha, which is a liquid used in most plastics. In petrochemical plants, naphtha undergoes a treatment known as steam cracking. The liquid is diluted with steam and heated to 800 degrees Celsius, then cooled to 400 degrees. Naphtha is transformed into gases such as ethylene and propylene, which then undergo a chemical reaction called polymerization to create plastic. The substance leaves the plant in powder or granulated form. To shape it, manufacturers use extruders. Granules are heated and mixed by a twin screw, then shaped using a mold that fits the final product. There are two types of microplastics. The majority of microplastics, which measure less than 5 millimeters, come from larger plastic waste, such as bottles or packaging. These fragments end up in nature and are known as secondary microplastics. But a significant portion of microplastics are incorporated directly into everyday objects during manufacturing and are dispersed into nature as we use them. These are primary microplastics. More than a third of primary microplastics released into the environment come from synthetic textiles. Machine-washed clothing releases plastic-containing microfibers into the sewage system. Many sewage treatment plants are unable to filter such small plastics, which then end up in the oceans. Almost 30% comes from the tires of vehicles. When they wear out, these microplastics are either dispersed by the wind or rainwater runoff, reaching the sewers and then the sea. Around a quarter of all emissions come from plastic dust produced in cities, abrasion from synthetic shoe soles, kitchen utensils, household dust, building exteriors, and detergents containing plastic. Finally, around 5% of our waste comes from boat paints, road markings, and personal care products, including certain toothpastes, shower gels, and body scrubs, where microplastics are added to improve texture and effectiveness.